Hey, so quick little life update. We got 2 kitties. They are super cute, but they love to scratch stuff and they are starting to climb the screens on these windows, so they really want to climb up something. So what I decided to do was build something very similar to this speaker bookshelf thing, but put it over here in this corner and make it about 7 feet tall and have the shelves facing out this way and then wrap the side with sisal rope so they have something to climb on, something to scratch on, and little high shelves that they can go sit and chill in. I also have a bunch of scrap wood to use, so this is perfect. I can just use all my scrap wood, build it out of like plywood and old scrap from the book, from the speaker shelves, and build something cool with it. So let's see what we can do. So here's all the wood I have. I'll be able to make one 4-foot shelf out of these, and then another 3-footer out of this, and then this guy, and then can build the shelves with some various plywood leftovers from these, stuff like that. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is clean up this line by squaring it up with the edge and just cutting a straight line down. And now we can just cut it to length. So we want just 4 feet. All right, there's one. All right, now I just got to make the shelves. All right, I got the 2 walls, 2 shelves, and a top. So now I just got to drill the pocket holes and then put this thing together. All right, so here I've just used some angles with some clamps to get this edge nice, and then get this edge nice and lined up. All right, there we go. Now let's measure this out. This is 47 1/4. There we go. So this one I'm just gonna do by hand because it doesn't actually matter that much. So this wood, one of these is warped, so this is rocking. So I'm gonna kind of get these 2 tight and then really cinch down the center. So this one's cinched down. These 2 are kind of just nice and tight. I don't really want to be like pulling anything too far out of shape. There we go. Just got these nice and lined up. Should be good. There we go. I can just lay this down on top. All right, so now I've marked 15 1/2, which is the same as down here. There we go. And we'll do the same for this one. This one, I'm just gonna push down. Just a little bit of overhang. There we go, that's perfect. Boom. Okay. we go. And there's the base. There we go. Look at that. Sweet. Oh.
Squid, what do you think? Want to go check it out?
No. And she still likes the speaker. Oh, it's very unstable. Okay. Okay. Solid. So this, let's find the good side. On top here. So we'll do the same thing over there. All right, so I just got all the cubbies lined up, or matching, because it just didn't quite look right when it was up there. But I just need to add one more shelf at the bottom for stability, and then we should be good. Just using these GRK cabinet screws and then screwing straight through the rope like this to attach the ends.